Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to rejuvenate the delicate skin around the eyes with a game-changing skin booster. Stay tuned as I demonstrate a unique injection technique that will boost the efficacy of this extraordinary product. Pluryal Silk is an innovative solution for repairing skin texture around the eye area. It is a hyaluronic acid and polynucleotide-based gel. The polynucleotide gel binds to water molecules and fills intradermal spaces, promoting hydration and tissue plumping. The polynucleotides extracted from fish are of high purity. Pluryal hydrates and nourishes the skin around the eyes, encouraging natural collagen production. It can be used to treat acne scars as well as stretch marks on the abdomen after childbirth. Let us now concentrate on injection technique. I will demonstrate injection with a sharp needle here. Remember that any injection technique demonstrated in the channel requires specialized training. After preparing the patient for injection, including the application of numbing cream, you can open the medicine box. Attach the 30-gauge needle that came with the box now. Start injecting the product very slowly. You can use multiple injection points as long as you stay at the subdermal level. To avoid bruises, you must avoid striking the vessels. Remember to massage gently after the injection. Thanks for watching. More cool stuff is coming soon, so stay with us.